What the heck is going on, you guys? Biggs here from Bengali, and welcome to my channel. First thing first, happy holidays to everyone watching my videos and all my subscribers out there. Thank you very much for your support, and I'm hoping that everyone's having a fantastic holiday season. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bengali pronouns, also known as Bangla Sarvanam. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hey? Alright, so here we are, English pronouns, Bengali pronouns, also known as Bangla Sarvanam. That's what I've written it in Bangla, and I've also written that in English too, so that you guys know that this is exactly what this is written in English. Okay, I don't even know. I'm not making sense right now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning here, and I'm still awake. But let's get started. Bangla Sarvanam. So pronouns are Sarvanam. Okay, studying you all know. And yeah, so we're gonna start with subject pronouns first. So these are all the subject pronouns in English. What subject pronouns are. If you guys want me to make a video, I'll make a video. But right now, just Google that and get an understanding of that. So it's simple here. I is Ami, which is Ami right there. Ami. Once again, it's Ami. It's not Ami. It's Ami. Straight up Ami. Okay. You is Tumi. So it's the to here. It's not the to. Remember that. Even though there's only T here in English, so I can't write it any better. So it's to me. It's to me. It's not to me. It's to me. He and she is very much, it's the same. It's not very much similar. It's the same. She. She, okay? So I think this is the best way to write it down in English. Because if I write it like this, it's gonna be, it's like she. What the heck? So it's she. So remember, this is not the Game of Thrones character, okay? That's to let you all know. He, she is she. He or she is she, okay? So it's same. It's exactly it's the same. In Spanish, I think it's L or AR. But here in Bangla, it's the exact same thing. She. Okay. And now we carry on with we. So that's Amra. Okay, Amra. It's pretty simple here. It's actually what it is here written in English. Amra. Not Amra. It's Amra. Amra. So there's the A here, right? See? There's the A. A. Amra. So that's the mo and that's ro yakara. Amra. And we got they. So that's Tara. Tara. And I got something else written here as well. Tahara. So Tahara is like this. I'll write this down right here. Tahara. But it's the exact same thing. We usually use Tara. Most of the people in Bangladesh and India, they use Tara. Some of them do use Tahara. That's like Shuddha Bangla. I don't want to even get into that chapter because that's going to be confusing. Okay. So Tara or Tahara. Tara is sufficient here. And we have it. Oh, what is it, right? Eta. So that's eta. I don't want to go details, but it's eta, or you can say eta. Eta, but eta is fine, and I'll write that down. What eta is? E-I-T-A, eta. So that's eta. Eta. Okay. I hope this makes sense. So I is Ami, you is Tumi, he is she, or he or she is she. We is Amra, they is Tara. Tahara, not really, but Tara is good, okay? But I'm just letting you guys know about this. It is eta or eta. Okay? So that's subject pronouns, just that. Okay? I hope this makes sense. Any question, concern, comment, let me know. Otherwise, stay tuned for the second video about the pronouns. Okay? Big Z out.